Spectrum pods are designed to provide additional internet coverage throughout your home from the same router, acting as Wi-Fi extenders to boost internet connectivity in all rooms. By using these pods, you can enjoy optimum internet speed on your devices from any location in your home. To set them up, place the pods in different rooms where you want to improve internet connectivity, spreading them across multiple floors if necessary. Ideally, the distance between pods should be around 32 to 50 feet in open spaces and 20 to 32 feet when separated by walls. However, homes with dense construction materials may require more pods due to thicker walls. Once placed, simply plug the pods into electric outlets and connect them to your Wi-Fi router. You can then download a management app to oversee your Wi-Fi network, including naming the pods and monitoring their activity. When positioning the pods, avoid areas with high moisture like bathrooms, as well as outdoor spaces exposed to dust and wind. Additionally, keep them away from mirrors and household appliances such as microwaves, which can cause interference. By following these steps, you can easily utilize Spectrum pods to enhance your internet experience.